What is passive income? Define passive income as income generated with minimal active involvement once the initial work is done. Emphasize that it's not about doing nothing, it's about setting up systems or investments that yield money over time. Passive income idea 1. Stock market. Describe investing in the stock market as a beginner-friendly way to generate passive income. Stress the importance of having an emergency fund before starting. Recommend index funds for beginners for safer investment options. Mention the potential for higher returns compared to traditional savings accounts. Passive income idea 2. Affiliate marketing. Describe affiliate marketing as a way to earn commissions by promoting products or services. Highlight popular affiliate programs like Amazon affiliates. Explain the process of signing up for affiliate programs and using affiliate links. Stress the importance of driving traffic to your affiliate links for earnings. Passive income idea 3. Digital products. Discuss the creation and sale of digital products like templates, planners, and ebooks. Highlight that after the initial creation, these products can be sold multiple times. Mention platforms like Etsy and Gumroad for selling digital products. Emphasize the need for marketing and maintaining product relevance. Passive income idea 4. Online courses. Explain the potential of creating and selling online courses on platforms like Skillshare. Share the success story of a YouTuber who earned a significant income from Skillshare courses. Highlight the importance of offering valuable knowledge. Mention Skillshare's 1-month free trial for viewers to explore courses. Passive income ideas 5 and 6. Social media. Discuss the potential of earning passive income through platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. Explain the advantages of anonymity on Twitter and the importance of consistent posting. Highlight the challenge of maintaining a presence and building a following on short-form content platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Mention monetization methods like sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and exclusive content. Passive income idea 7. YouTube. Describe starting a YouTube channel and the importance of high-quality content. Explain the effort required, including research, scripting, filming, editing, and creating thumbnails. Stress the significance of consistency and the potential for monetization through ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, and product promotion. Passive income idea 8. Membership platforms. Explain the concept of membership platforms and their benefits for content creators and audiences. Mention the case of a content creator earning income and building a community through a membership program. Highlight the initial setup steps and the importance of having a dedicated follower base. Discuss potential membership benefits like group coaching, exclusive content, and special events. Passive income idea 9. Real estate investment. Introduce real estate investment as a traditional but effective way to generate passive income. Explain how buying rental properties or real estate investment trusts (REITs) can provide regular rental income or dividends. Emphasize the importance of research, property management, and understanding the real estate market. Mention the potential for long-term appreciation in property value. Diversification and risk management. Continued stress the importance of maintaining a balanced portfolio of passive income streams to safeguard against economic fluctuations. Discuss how diversification can provide financial security and allow you to adapt to changing circumstances. Emphasize that while passive income can be rewarding, it's essential to stay informed and adjust strategies when necessary. That achieving significant passive income takes time, effort, and careful planning.
Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more valuable content right here on Habits of Human. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.